Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Alfredo sauce. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter, about 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 2 cups of rich heavy cream. For that signature creamy texture, have 1 1/2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese on hand. Don't forget salt and freshly ground black pepper to season your sauce perfectly. Now, let's begin building that incredible flavor base. First, melt 8 tablespoons, or 1 stick, of unsalted butter in a large skillet over medium-low heat. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, add your 2 minced garlic cloves. Sauté the garlic gently for about 1 minute, being careful not to let it brown. This step is crucial for a smooth, rich flavor without any bitterness. Next, we'll achieve that signature creamy perfection. Pour 2 cups of heavy cream into your skillet with the butter and garlic mixture. Bring the cream to a gentle simmer, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Gradually whisk in 1 1/2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Continue stirring constantly until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce becomes wonderfully smooth and thick. For the final touches, let's season our magnificent Alfredo sauce. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Remember, fresh Parmesan adds its own saltiness. Serve this warm, rich, and incredibly creamy Alfredo sauce immediately over your favorite pasta, perhaps fettuccine, for a truly delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.